friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Way to Success. So friends, today in this video we know about United Nations and all the principal bodies which are working in the United Nations. United Nations is an international organization. This organization work on the making law, international security, economic development, social progress, human rights and international peace. The United Nations was established on 24th October 1945 with the signing of 50 countries in the United Nations Charter. In the structure of the United Nations, most powerful countries with the Security Council is United States of America, France, Russia and United Kingdom. In present, there are 193 countries in United Nations and almost all the international recognized countries in the world are included in United Nations. The composition of this organization includes General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Secretariat and International Court of Justice. Headquarters of the United Nations is located in New York City, USA. Apart of the headquarters, the main offices are located in Geneva, Copenhagen, etc. Now we come to the organs and principal bodies of the United Nations. The most important organ in the United Nations is General Assembly because this principal body of United Nations considered matters related to peace, security and human rights. In General Assembly, every member nation has the right to vote. Second organ is Security Council. It is also important organ of the United Nations. It consists only 15 member countries and 5 permanent member of the United Nations is USA, France, Russia, China and Britain. But there are 10 non-permanent members also in the Security Council for a period of 2 years. All the members of a Security Council have veto power, which we also call a privilege power. Next organs of United Nations is Economic and Social Council. This council meets twice in a year in New York and Geneva. In this council, there are total 54 members countries. This council organized meetings to discuss the question related to education, health, medical, cultural, economical and social. But some of its standing committee are Technical Assistance Committee and Preparing the Agenda of Industrial Developing Committee. Now we come to the most important organ of United Nations, which is International Court of Justice. In International Court of Justice, there are 15 judges who make law order for peaceful world. These judges are elected by General Assembly and Security Council for the period of 9 years. But 5 judges take leave after every 3 years. International Court of Justice was established on 3rd April 1946 in Hague, Netherlands. Next principal body of United Nations is Council of Justice. The task of this council is to see whether the territories handed over to them after the Second World War are developing economically and socially or not. The Trust Council was adjourned on 1st November 1994 because it had no work to left. Last and important organ of the United Nations is Secretariat. The Secretariat is called the administrative part of the United Nations. Head of Secretariat is General Secretary of United Nations. General Secretary is chosen on the recommendation of the Security Council for the period of 5 years. The head of the Secretariat attend all the conference of the Security Council, Economic and Social Council and Council of Justice. Currently, the Secretary General of United Nations is Antonio Guterres. So friends, is the information about United Nations and the organ which are working in United Nations. If you get information from this video, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share. Thank you so much.